Welcome to Give Better Head Part 2. So you may have seen the first class, and over the last year, I've actually picked up some new tips and tricks thanks to Pure Romance. So I'm excited and happy to share them all with you. I have some notes here on the side. I'm going to try and tell a story about how we can get through this whole process of giving better head. So the first thing that we should start with is hydration. So make sure you drink a lot of water, just in general throughout the day. Every single day you should be drinking water, but especially if you're about to give fellatio. So the reason you want to do that is so that you have some extra moisture in your mouth. Where are you going to get it from if you are like spitting and using saliva, sucking and swallowing saliva? Where are you going to get it from if you aren't hydrated